At CRC Roofing and Renovations, we pride ourselves on our quality, expertise, and reliability. Our team of skilled professionals uses only the highest quality materials to deliver top-notch roofing solutions tailored to your needs. Whether it's a small repair or a complete roof replacement, we've got you covered. Our comprehensive roofing services include inspections, repairs, installations, and maintenance, ensuring your roof stands the test of time. Transform your home with CRC Roofing and Renovations. Our attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction set us apart. We provide free estimates and personalized service to ensure you get the best value for your investment. Ready to upgrade your roof? Contact CRC Roofing and Renovations today by visiting our website at www.crccompany.com or pick up the phone and call us at 859-327-3913.